Magandang hapon po ng October 28, 2025 Tuesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng October 28, 2025 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Tuesday, October 28, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for October 28, 2025, Tuesday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, and Lotto 642 for Tuesday, October 28, 2025. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for October 28, 2025, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.